Number 13 real fast, which is y is equal to negative 1/4 to the x power, right?
Yeah.
And so we're going to say, let me think about this for a second.
Actually, Gary, since you're doing it in class, do we have to write down how we solved it?
What?
Since you're doing it, he's wondering if since you did it in class, we have to write down.
I'll probably have you just do 15 and 14, 14 and 15. You don't have to do all of these. I'm going to have you do, 5, 7. I'm going to have you do all the odds except 13. And instead of 13, I'm going to have you do 14. Does that make sense? So just circle 5, 7, 9, 11, 14, and 15. Those are all you have to do. Right?
9/11.
What?
Oh,
We're all going to die.
9/11.
Oh, yeah, 9, 11.
Yeah, they actually did that on purpose.
All right. So if I did this -2, guys, what? Negative, I'm going to actually do a little higher. I'm going to do negative 3. I'm going to do -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2.
Wait, why are you doing -3?
It could be any number.
I'm curious. It's more a curiosity than anything. I have a funny feeling. Now, this is a negative. I'm curious if that's going to change my graph at all, right? The negative. So let's just sort of see. So if I have a -3, 1/4 to the -3 is the same as, you guys learned this on Friday for those who were here.
Well, it's a negative.
You flip it, right? It equals 4/1, which is just 4, raised to the +3. You guys know that?
Yeah, but it's negative.
Were you here on Friday, or did you leave early?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, Gary, but
I was here.
Okay.
there's a
Remember
problem.
it? Yes.
It's -1/4.
Ah, you're right. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
That's
Sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't see it. All right, thank you. So now we have 4 to the 3rd power. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is
64.
64. So we got -64. That's interesting. So -64.
That's a big number.
Oh,
Yes,
no, Gary.
question.
Gary, you're wrong. The exponent isn't negative. It's just the negative inside.
That's true. No, it's negative.
The exponent.
Yeah, because it's
It's -3.
it's connected to what's in the
Right. All right, and then now we have negative, thank you, 1/4 to the -2, which is 4 squared, -4 squared, which is -16, right? -16. And then we got -1, so where are we? -1/4 to the -1, which is -4 to the 1, which is -4, right? That's interesting. Okay, 0. We have, what is that?
-1. It'd be -1.
It would be -1, exactly. And then 1, -1/4, right? -1/4. That's interesting. 2 squared, it would be -1/16. You with me? All right, so now let's try to graph this thing. So I notice my y goes up to 64. I'm not going to bother with the 64 one. I think I can get my curve with just these, don't you think?
You don't go to.
I mean, I don't want to go up to 64, right? So I'm just going to go to 16. So we've got, we'll do this. -3, -6, no, -2, -16, -2, -16. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. All right. What was it again? -2, -16. Boom, boom, right? Boom. Okay, -1, -4, -1, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Right? 0, -1. 0, -1. Boom. 1, -4. 1, -4. I mean, -1/4. Sorry. 1, -1/4. So around there. 2, -1/16. So it's like right there. So immediately, this is interesting. It's negative, right? It's negative. So my graph now looks like this. Right? Very poorly drawn, but you got the idea. right?
So attempting to draw eyes like diagonally from that, make it a smiley face, or you can do it up there and make it a frowny face.
So does it make sense? You got the idea, right? Do I need to include that one on the homework? You want me to send it to you too? Would that help?